To make this work, you first need a sound effect. I'm going to show you two different ways to get them. One is from a website, the other one is just making your own. So to get them from a website, I go to pixabay.com. It's a royalty-free site. You can use all the stuff on this site totally for free for whatever purpose you want. On the homepage, we can scroll over here until we get to sound effects. Let's tap on that. And we type in a search. I'm going to search for bonk. You can listen to them before you download by pressing the play button. I like that one. Going to download it. Just press the download button. Wait a second. Tap on download. Okay, now it's downloaded. It's going to be in our Files app. We just tap on the search bar, just pull down on the iPhone screen, start typing in Files, and you'll find the Files app. And it should be in the Downloads folder. So if we go back to all the way back to iCloud Drive, in fact, all the way back even further, we're on this browse page, and we have a Downloads option. I'm going to click on Downloads. Mr. Stokes is the sound effect right there, and that's going to be our new ringtone. To make this a ringtone, want this on our phone, all you do is you tap the share icon in the bottom, scroll down, and then choose Use as Ringtone. And now this is the default ringtone for everything on your phone. And now this is the ringtone for every phone call that you're going to receive from now on. If you want to have instead this be just for a specific person, this is what you do. Switch this default ringtone back to something else, like that one, and then find a contact. I'm just going to find my own contact in my contact list here, and tap on Edit, and then scroll down, and here we see ringtone, default. Tap on that, and tap the bonk, and then tap the check mark. And now when this specific contact calls, that's going to be the ringtone for when they call. Incidentally, you can also customize the text tone by tapping on right here. So once you're happy with that, we now have this person's ringtone being bonk, which we just custom downloaded. And I mentioned earlier in the video, if you don't want to download your sound effects, you can make your own and set those as ringtones. You do that by opening the voice recorder. Just pull down somewhere blank on your home screen and search for voice. And then tap on record. Now we have me knocking as the sound. Sweet. So once that's recorded, we can rename it, tapping on these three dots, and we could call it knock knock, and hit enter, and then tap on these three dots again, and tap share, and then scroll down till we see use as ringtone. Now we have knock knock here as our custom ringtone, and the rest of the steps are the same as when we downloaded the ringtone. So that's how you can make your own. And if you want to make sure that your text messages between your friends and yourself are encrypted so nobody can spy on them and steal them, this is the video you want to watch next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.